Now in question 4 part C then, we had that from our previous solution the natural log of y equaled the natural log of the mod of 2x minus 3 all squared all over to x minus 1 plus the constant c. And what we've got to do is find the particular solution when x is 2, okay, given y equals 10. This is going to enable us to work out what the constant c is. So what I can do is substitute these values then into the equation up here, which I'm going to call equation 1. Alright, so if we sub those into 1, so we'll just say sub in 1, we have the natural log of 10, and because that's a positive value now, I don't really need the mod sign. Equals, and over here we have the natural log then of, well, we've got 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 take away 3 is 1, 1 squared is 1, okay, and that's going to be over 2 take away 1, which is 1. So this is going to come down to 1, the natural log of 1. And then we have the constant c. Well, the natural log of 1, you should know, is 0. Okay, so that means that c is equal to the natural log of 10. Okay, so we've got natural log of 10 for c, and all we need to do is substitute that back up into number 1. So we have sub back in 1, and we then have the natural log of the mod of y equals the natural log of the mod of 2x minus 3 all squared over x minus 1, and then plus the natural log of 10. Okay, now we have an equation with 3 terms in, okay, and when you're dealing with logs, what you must do is reduce this down to 2 terms. 1 term on one side of the equals and 1 term on the other side of the equals. And so what I'm going to do here is I can use the addition rule for logs, which reduces down to this, that's 2x minus 3 squared over x minus 1 times 10, the natural log of that product. So hopefully you remember that rule. So that's going to be 10 times 2x minus 3 all squared over x minus 1. Okay, so, and that's going to be equal to natural log of the mod of y. So let's just pop that in there anyway, okay. We therefore have that. So I've got down to 2 terms, natural log on both sides, so all I've got to do now is anti-log this, that is remove the logs, and so I'm just left with y equals 10 times 2x minus 3 all squared over x minus 1. And we're asked to give y as a function of x. So that brings us then to the end of question 4.